Oh, you didn't. Important of crafting. This artificial vegetative reproduction helps in improvement of plant both in quality and quantity. Now number 2, crafting technique helps to present unusual plant species for bonsai. Method gets repeat results and large number of particular plant species can be obtained in a short duration of time. Better varieties and plants can be produced using this method. Now next, types of protected structure. Net house. So, type of protected structure and net house. These are simple frame structure which are of two types. जो नेट स्ट्रक्चर होता है, नॉट नेट स्ट्रक्चर, नेट हाउस होता है, वो नेट हाउस में सिंपल होता है, सिंपल फ्रेम मतलब स्ट्रक्चर ने सिंपल फ्रेम जैसा होता है, जिसने टू टाइप्स, जिसके पास टू पार्ट्स हैं, मतलब टू टाइप्स हैं, एंड one is shed net and one another is insect proof nylon net. So now I would like to study shed net. These are perforated materials used to cut down the solar radiation and prevent wilting of leaves caused by marked temperature increases within the leaf tissues from strong sunlight. These are available in different colors, that is black, green and white, and shading intensity ranges from 25 to 75%. मतलब जो सेट नेट होता है और परफॉर्म करता है, ये इसने परफॉर्म करता है perforated materials used, मतलब वो डिपेंड करता है मटेरियल्स के साथ, मतलब मटेरियल को यूज करके डिपेंड करता है टू कट डाउन, कट करने के लिए सोलर रेडिएशन को, एंड देन प्रिवेंट वाइलिंग ऑफ लीव्स कॉज्ड बाय मार्क टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज. ओके, these are available in different colors. Okay, set net का colors, write some colors of set net. Now I will write colors of the set net are black, green and white, and shading intensity ranges from 25 to 75%. Now I would like to go next part. Insect proof nylon net. These are available in different intensities of perforations, ranging from 25 mH to 60 mH. Net of higher mH size are effective to control entry of insect and save crop from diseases. Now another is plastic low tunnels. These are let it open field to cover rows of plants with transparent plastic films stretched over steel hoops of about 50 centimeter, height spaced suitably along the rows, polyethylene film of 30 to 40 micron thickness is used. Number 3, greenhouse. A greenhouse is a quasi-permanent structure covered with a transparent material ranging from simple homemade design to sophisticated prefabricated structure wherein the environment could in be modified suitable for propagation of plants. It is used to protect the plants from the adverse climatic condition by providing optimum conditions of life, temperature, humidity, carbon dioxide of carbon dioxide for the best growth of plant to achieve maximum yield. So those who are watching my live streaming, welcome to my live stream. God Anirban live. Hello. Hi, hello. How are you? Advantages of season cultivation of crops in this. Man disturb खालामबाय थायो नों आं फरायनायाव फरायनो होना दिसे माबा man disturb खालामबाय थायो बुगोन आं सागोन नोंजों नोंखौ disturb खालामोना गाबै थां Now one comment from my followers, not my followers. Riju744. Hi, hello, namaskar. Welcome to my live streaming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Betang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Oxygen cultivation of crops in
8, 38, 39, 32, 31, 36. Bahiराव थां होनदो आरो माखौ दानद' सेखाखौ बिदिनो लाय गंसेखौ खोमादो इयो माखौ दानबाय दंलै ओइ बोरोलै सिकेलालाय बोरो kota taka balls. Hello. I don't know kota taka matlab what about it? Where are you from? Hello bro. Chinga Bushumatari. Hello, how are you? You are good. Yes, I know you are good. Because you are singer. I know you are good. So what are you doing now? Meetinga Basumatari, what are you doing now? And welcome to my live streaming. Those who are watching my live streaming, thank you so much from my heart. Advantages of season cultivation of crops is possible round the year. Number 2, crop cultivation is possible under harsh environmental condition. Now next, they provide excellent opportunities to produce export quality crops. Early production of quality seedlings and planting material is possible. Now next, 5,
More production per unit area in comparison to open field cultivation. Now next is greenhouse can also be used for strawberries and propagation of quality fruit plant. सुलिखा बर' फराय बाफ्रे फरायनो थिनहरदों ना मा होनो लाइभ होयै फरायनायनि मजायानो आलादाखा डिसेम्बर मान्थआव फाइनाल एग्जामबो जासिगोन नम्बर 7 ओके बरायहरबाय सुलिखा बर' गर्ल्स ना बयस आई डोंट नो लाइभ स्ट्रीमाव बरायबाय आरो चेनेलखौ साब खालामनानै लाइभखौ लाइक खालामना होलां insect pest and white management is easier in greenhouse than in open field. Greenhouses can provide substantial income for cultivators saving small lands and holdings. So those who are watching, thank you very much. SEC. How are you guys, all of you? How are you? And then SEC. Disease and pest of non-mulberry. Silkworm. Species of silkworm. Bombyx mori, domestic silk moth. This is the most widely cultivated species, native to China and India, and is the primary source of commercial silk production. Antheria mylittatus silk moth, native to India. This species produces a coarser, darker silk. Antheria parnai, मतलब Chinese oak silk moth, found in China. This species produces a high quality silk. Okay, one question from viewer. So Chulika Boro, I read in class BSc first semester. Okay, I'm bodo people, Boro. So आंबो Chulika Boro. Like Boro title नुबाय नालाय आं बर'नि बुंबाय बर'. आं BSc first semester आव फरायो. No, enter my Japanese oak silk moth native to Japan. This species produces a chopped white silk. Number 5, Bombyx mandarina, wild silk moth found in China and India. This species is a wild relative of Bombyx mori. Now next 6 number species of silkworm, Shamina scientia Irish silk moth. So this is what? So native to Asia, this species produces a soft white silk. These species are cultivated for sericulture, the practice of breeding silkworms for silk production. Each species has unique characteristics and their silk is used for various purposes from high-end textiles to biomedical applications. Sulekha Boro, okay, okay, subscribe खालामनानै होदो अननानै. Subscribe खालामनानै हो. History of sericulture. Silk production has a long history. Silk was discovered by Qilingqi. आं दा दसे थानानै जागोन ओंखामखौ. Wife of China's third emperor. Wang Di. In 2640 BC, while making tea, Qilingji accidentally dropped a silkworm cocoon into a cup of hot water and found that the silk fiber could be Russian and unknown fibers from several cocoons could be twisted together to make a thread that was strong enough to be woven into cloth. Thereafter, Qilingqi discovered not only the means to raising silkworms, but also the manners of reeling silk and of employing it to mock, to make garments. Later, sericulture spread throughout China, and silk became a precious commodity, highly sought after by other countries. Demand for this exotic fabric eventually the lucrative trade route, the historically famous Silk Road or Silk Road, named after its most important commodity. This road helped in taking silk westward and bringing gold, silver, and wool to the east. With the mulberry silk moth native to China, the Chinese had a monopoly on the world silk production. After 1200 BC, Chinese immigrants who had settled in Korea helped in the emergence of silk industry in Korea. During the 3rd century BC, Samiranas, a general of the army of Empress Shingu Kongo, invaded and conquered Korea. Among his prisoners were some sericulturists whom he brought back to Japan to help with the establishment and growth of sericulture industry of Japan. Now next, Sulekha Boro, subscribe खालामबाय दे. खुलुमबाय, गोजोननाय थाबाय. नाथाय आं बुजिना मोनासै सुलेखा, I think girls. So आब'खौनो बुंबाय आङो. गोजोननाय थाबाय आब'निसिम. लाइभखौबो लाइक होनानै गालां. No. Another story is that a Chinese princess married an Indian prince. She carried silkworm eggs, mulberry cocoons in her elaborate head dress. She disclosed the secret of raising silkworms. Thus, silk production appeared in India in 550 AD. The technique of sericulture spread throughout the Mediterranean countries during the 7th century AD, and then to Africa and Sicily. During the later part of the 19th century, modern machinery, improved techniques, and intensive research helped the growth of sericulture industry in Japan. At present, Japan, China, Korea, Italy, Soviet Union, France, Brazil, and India are the chief silk producing countries in the world. One comment from Quiet Status. What's the reading? Now I am reading some topic from TSC. And the next, food plants of eri and muga silkworm. Silkworm is a larva of silk moth. And then food plants play a major role in silk production. The quantity of food plants has a determining effect on the overall health, growth, and survival of various silkworm species. Food plants of muga silkworm. The food plants on priority of utilization for muga silk cultivation are grouped into three categories. Primary. Primary are distributed into parts. Swarm and swallow. Now, swarm primary swarm and swarm is what? Bacillus bombycina. Swarms another uh, food plants का नाम है Bacillus bombycina. And swallow का Lichei polyantha. And then secondary mesenchorica Lichei salicifolia and digloti इसका Lichia monopetala and tertiary इसका तेजपात का होगा श्याम श्याना श्यानामन कमला and गामानी का होगा Chumelina arborea. Now food plants of silkworm. प्राइमरी इसको बोलते हैं कॉर्टक्स एंड इसका जो स्पेसीज होता है उसको बोलते हैं रेशिनस कम्युनिस एंड सेकेंडरी इसका जो पार्ट होता है वो पार्ट होगा टोपियोका एंड वन अनदर इज कैशरिया सो टोपियोका का पार्ट एक जो स्पेसीज होता है उस स्पेसीज का नाम है मोनिचिट एस्क्यूटेंटा एंड नेक्स्ट कैशरिया का जो स्पेसीज होता है स्पेसीज का नाम होगा हेटेरोपोनेक्स फ्रेग्रेंट एंड देन नेक्स्ट टर्सरी आई वुड लाइक टू गो टर्सरी सो टर्सरी का पार्ट होता है अनीता और पपाया तो उसका जो स्पेसीज का नाम है वो कैरिका पपाया okay and then now I would like to go next topic so next topic is life cycle of Aries silkworm. Life cycle of Aries silkworm. Aries silkworms are known for their unique ability to feed on a variety of plants, including castor, tapioca, and papaya. This adaptability contributes to their significance in sericulture. The life cycle of the Aries silkworm can be divided into four main stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Now, egg. The first stage of the Aries silkworm's life cycle is the egg stage. The female eremode lays tiny eggs, usually in clusters on the leaves of host plant or in the corica to which the moth is tied. These eggs are round and initially yellow but gradually turn brown as they mature. अनकमन खन्थाइ बर' आब' फैलायबाय जोंहा वेलकाम टु माय लाइभ स्ट्रिमिं आब' फरायबाय दं मालायसो फरायनायानो जाखायाखै ओरैनो नायदोंसो आङो माने मा खालामना थानो मा फुजाबो जागासिनो जोंनि खाथियावनो दावराव हाल्ला ओमफ्राय डिसेम्बर मान्थआवनो फाइनाल जागोन ना बेक थाजानो गिनांगौ फार्स्ट सेमाव The incubation period lasts for about 7 to 10 days, during which the eggs undergo subtle changes in color, signaling the imminent hatching of the larva. So now I would like to go next topic. What is that? This is larva. Upon hatching, the second stage begins, the larval stage. The newly hatched larva is greenish yellow in color. The body color changes gradually to pure yellow by the end of the third day. The airy silkworm larva is voracious, feeding on the leaves of its host plant as the larvae grow. They molt or shed their exoskeletons multiple times to accommodate their increasing size. And this process is known as instar. The larval stage can be divided into first instar larva, second instar larva, third instar larva, third instar larva, fourth instar larva, and fifth instar larva. Now first instar larva. The first instar larva is covered with tiny black hairs and is dark yellow in color with black lines. The small larva, which is about 0.7 to 0.8 centimeter in length. Now second instar larva. During second instar larva, the worms becomes fleshy, but different strains cannot be distinguished as the have similar sets of yellow color. The second instar larva is almost similar to the first instar larva. The second instar larva is about 1.4 to 2 centimeter in length. Third instar larva. The third instar larval color does not exhibit any distinct variation, but the black spots and black zebra strips are visible on the body of the larva. The larva is about 2.3 to 2.6 centimeter in length. Fourth instar larva. In fourth instar larva, color variation between yellow and greenish blue is distinct. Prominent spots and strips appear in the larval body, which help to clearly distinguish the airy silkworm into 6 strands. The length of the larva is about 4.5 to 5 centimeter long and 0.8 to 1 centimeter in breadth. Now I would like to go fifth instar larva. The fifth instar larva is a voracious breeder. The larva in this stage is approximately 8 to 10 centimeter in length. The fifth instar larva of the airy silkworm represents the final developmental stage before pupation. The fifth instar larva is characterized. Comment नायनि comment guys खन्थाइ बर' आब' मा comment हरदों माइकआ अन ना yes अनानो दे माइकआ मेजर साबजेक्ट आ जुल'जि नामा नोंना yes right आंना जुल'जि साबजेक्ट मेजरा बेनिफ्राय आं आब'खौ सिनाया दै आं सोंदोंमोन सेनियरफोरनाव बाट सेनियरफोरा बुंनाय मथेबा फार्स्ट सेमिस्टारनिसो होनदों माथो नोंखौ फार्स्ट सेमिस्टारनियानो नामाथाय मिथिलाय लाङा खोन्थाहरलाय मोजाङै फार्स्ट सेमिस्टार ना थार्ड सेमिस्टार ना फिफ्थ सेमिस्टार ओइ Kabna ka lang. By its fully developed features and is the largest among all instar during the fifth instar. The airy silkworm larva exhibits vibrant colors, typically ranging from light green to yellowish brown. Its body is covered with fine setae, shine or hairs, giving it a distinct appearance. The primary focus of the fifth instar larva is to accumulate the necessary nutrients for the impending pupation. It consumes a not sorry, substantial amount of leaves from the chosen host plant during this stage to support the energy requirements for metamorphosis. Pupa in cocoon. The pupa is prelude to what stays with all the appendages of future moth. The pupal stage usually lasts for about 2 to 3 weeks. The pupa is in the immobile and appears quiescent from the exterior. Inside the cocoon, however, uh, intricate biological changes are occurring. The pupa is unusual, light brown or tan in color. Within the cocoon, the pupa undergoes metamorphosis, a profound restructuring of its body tissues. This process involves the development of adult structures from the larval body, various organs and features, including wings and reproductive organs, except during this stage, the female pupa is bigger and much heavier than the male one. The fifth instar larva spins a silk cocoon as it prepares to enter the pupal stage. The cocoon serves transformative process. The silk threads are secreted from specialized spinnerets near the larvals. Sorry, near the larva's mouthparts. Airy cocoon are elongated, soft, and unre- 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 unreliable. These are spindle. These are spindle shape. The cocoons exhibit color polymorphism, being creamy, white, and brick red. They measure 5.5 to 2.5 centimeter and weigh about 3 gram. The inner side of the cocoon is quite smooth, moth or adult. The adult Aries silk moth is the final and plating stage in the life cycle of silkworm. The adult Aries silk moth does not engage in feeding. Its feeding apparatus is not fully developed and it relies, relies on energy reserves accumulated during the larval stage. The adult stage is characterized by a short lifespan lasting only a few days to a week. During this time, the primary focus is on reproductive activities. Female eremotes release uh, pheromones to attract males, initiating the mating process. Once mating is successful, the female seeks out suitable host plants to lay clusters of eggs, typically on the undersides of leaves. When the adult moth energy emerges from a cocoon, it makes a hole to get out. The airy silk moths are stout, brownish or blackish and covered with white scales. The male moth is smaller than the female. Wings are buff colored with white colored stripes in the marginal portion. Wings are covered with scales of di- different colors and shape. Forewings are longer and narrower than hind wings. Life cycle of Muga silkworm. Introduction. Introduction. Muga silk is an exclusive prerogative of India. It is mostly produced in the Brahmaputra Valley of Assam and the northeastern region. The, the shimmering golden yellow silk is referred to literature from as long ago as 662 BC. Even today, it occupies a very important place in the life and culture of the Assamese people, regardless of community and caste. During the last few decades, however, there has been a substantial decline in the muka industry, particularly due to discriminate filling of food plants and frequency nature calamities such as flood and drought. The muga silkworm is cultivated only in Assam, possible because its characteristics ecological requirements are found only in its natural about eastern Gwalpara and the southwestern part of the Kamrup district in Lower Assam. Other major sheet cocoon area and their trade is largely in the hands of tribal communities Kacharis, Rafas and Garo. Commercial hearing on the other hand is practiced mainly by Ahoms in Sivasagar and Lakhimpur and to a lesser extent in Naugong, Darang and Nogao. Okay, I think Nogao, Darang and other districts. The nature grown cocoons are utilized for she and over 80% of the commercial cocoons produced in the plants are transported by the traders to Swalkusi village, where muga reeling and weaving are done on a large scale, almost as a monopoly. Life cycle and morphology muga silkworm. Hetero, heterogeneity and sexual dimorphism with regard to color pattern are less pronounced in Assam, Assamese than in uh, Mylita because of its limited geographical distribution being a member of Antares, most of which broad morphological characteristics are comparable to those of the other members of this genus. Life cycle of Muga silkworm. The life cycle of Muga silkworm has four stages, that is its egg, larva, pupa, encased in cocoon, and adult moth. The life cycle of this silk moth runs for 65 to 70 days in spring and autumn, 105 to 115 days in winter, and only 52 to 55 days in summer. Depending on the climate conditions, its generation passes through four life stages, all of them looking different, and the non-feeding adult stages very different from the feeding larval stage. The life stages are egg, the larval stage, pupal stage, the adult mode. Now eggs. The eggs are oval, uh, dorsoventrally, flattened, and bilaterally symmetrical. It is about 2.4 to 2.7 millimeter in length, 2.5 millimeter in diameter, and they appear light green or creamy. The duration of each stage is 7 days in summer and 16 days in winter. Now I would like to study larva. So the eggs are hatched into larvae about 2 millimeter long. They grow rapidly, yet varies voraciously, and end up about 30 millimeter long after 4 to 5 weeks. The larva soon after hatching eat a portion of the eggs and uh, disperse in search of food. The larva passes through 5 instars. Now, first instar larva. Annually hatched larva is 0.7 to 1.2 centimeter in length. The color of the body is black with distinct yellow lines at intersegmental region. The body tubercles are black in color and are provided with setae. The larva prefers to feed on tender leaves of the host plant after feeding for 3 to 4 days in summer and 6 to 8 days in winter. The larva installs the first mold and transforms itself into the second instar larva. Now, second instar larva. The second instar larva is light yellow in color and about 1.4 to 1.8 centimeter in length. This stage lasts for 3.4 days in summer and 7 to 10 days in winter. Thereafter, the second instar larva enters into the third instar larva. Third instar larva. The third instar larva is green in color and about 1.8 to 2.5 centimeter in length. This stage lasts for 5 to 7 days in summer and 10 to 13 days in winter. The tubercle color is violet. Now fourth instar larva. The fourth instar larva is dorsally dark green and ventrally light green in color, about 2.5 to 3.5 centimeter in length, and approximately 2.00 to 3.5 gram in weight. The head is triangular in shape in small black eye spots on the lateral side of the head are prominent lateral line.